So my neighbours
Buenos dias,
have
neighborita.
been doing construction on their property for the last 2 years. During weekdays, during weekends, during the mornings, during the afternoons. Gets a Wilpo cranky if I wake up on the wrong side of a jackhammer at 7 in the morning. If you're wondering if we ever brought it up, we have. So today, we're gonna automate an angry neighbor bot. First, we need logic to listen for sounds. Next, we'll need to borrow a mate and steal their voice for some neighborly voice lines. Finally, we need to wrap it all up into a piece of software that will shout out some colorful quotes in the breaks of silence between power drills when hammering. We made an idle listening command. The purpose of this function is to detect sounds that are greater than room tone. Room tone is essentially the natural sound you get in an environment. You often see film crews record a sample of room tone in their sets, which is used to clean up their audio tracks. The listening command includes a timeout, so it tries to listen again if it doesn't detect any useful sounds the first time. I have my good Australian friend over, and yes, this is their natural voice.
Are you recording already?
We recorded several lines so that it has some variety. Each voice line is saved into an audio bank, which we will link into our program.
Knock it off, you noisy cunt. You gonna pipe down? How long have you been at it?
To really get our point across, I stuck a Bluetooth speaker so that we can execute the audio wirelessly. Now let's see the results.
Tell you what, mate, keep going at that and I'll shove a stick up your... Good, mate. You're even terrible, yeah?
Fantastic. Just another Wilpo solution.
I'm gonna be happy.